Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute cake headband on Dress to Impress. So you can either use the thick or the normal headband here. And I'm just going to color mine red. You can color it to any color you want. I'm just going to position it a little bit so you guys can see it. Maybe let's use some toggles first. Okay. And then I am going to use this crown. And you can use any color you want for it. I am going to just color it brown, I think. Like this. For everything for the cake base. Then you're going to select the fuzzy hat, and I'm going to color it brown too for the frosting. I am going to, however, make it a little bit darker so there is a difference. And then I'm just going to add these adjustments to it. So for the x-axis, I'm going to do 40. For the y, I'll do 74. For the z, I'll do 46. For the rotation, I'll do 41. For the y, I'll do 49. And for the z, I'll do 0.74. And then for the scale, I'll make it very small like this. So it looks something like that. Oh, actually, I might reverse that. I'll need that for the frosting. So let me just change the colors. Do that for the frosting, and I'll use this one for the cake. Be a teensy bit darker like that. Then we will need to go to the hair salon for the berries. I'm going to use this hairstyle, and I'm going to color it in red. For the accessory adjustment, I'm going to position it at 0.38. The Y at 0.33. The Z at 0.44. And the rotation at 0.81 on the Z rotation. And I'm going to scale it down. I think I misread this one. It's supposed to be at 0.83, sorry. I'm going to scale it down for the cute berries on top. Super cute. Then we're going to go back to the accessories here, and we're going to add a bow. And then I'm going to just color it the dark colored frosting. For the adjustments, we're going to position it at 0.44 here. 0.66 for the y-axis. The z, we're going to do at 0.39. Rotation, 0.39 for the x rotation. Y at 0.53. Z at 0.74. And we're also going to scale that down quite a bit. 0.07. There we go. And lastly, for the frosting, we are going to get this one. You can color it to whatever you want. I'm going to color it the same as that frosting. I think I'm going to add the silk toggle as well. I forgot to put no spikes, sorry. Silk, and then for this one, I think I'm just going to have it similar to this adjustment right here. I might need to change that though. Rotate it at 0.81. I'm just going to adjust it my way a little bit here. Rotate it just a little bit and scale it down. And there we go. You have this super cute cake headband on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm just adjusting this. Hold on. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.